Let's insert a chart. Now, what is a chart? Can anybody tell? What do we need to create a graph?
Sir?
Yeah, that is a graph, but what actual graph is? How do you create a graph? What you actually need to create a graph?
The content which we
Shapes,
have.
sir.
Data, sir. For
Data. Yes.
Data.
Data. And that should be in a tabular format. Okay. So basically, graphs are the graphical representation of any tabular data. Got that? So for inserting any chart, we will click on the chart. There you can see. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे पहले से green color आया हुआ है. Could you say this?
Yes.
देखो
Yes.
ये कहाँ से आया? क्योंकि because I have choose the theme green वाला. Okay. So चलो यहाँ पे. So you could see there are so many